Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Is it good? Today we'll be making my favorite chicken and rice bake. It's a very easy recipe. All I'm doing is first you grease your pan. I greased my pan with some butter and I added a few chunks of butter in there to make it a creamier sauce. And basically what you want to do is, I got 5 drumsticks here, so I am gonna season it with some garlic powder. Yes. Pepper, ground pepper. Paprika. Ooh. Okay, some seasoned salt. Okay. And some celery salt. Not too much, just a dab. Okay, and give me 1 second. I'm gonna do the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, after I finish seasoning it, I forgot to mention I put poultry seasoning on it as well. So I sprinkle that a little bit. And how to make the rice, I got a cup of rice here and I got a cup and a half of chicken broth, and all you do is I combine the chicken broth with the rice. Yes. And I also put in a can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay. And what you want to do is mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. For anybody's asking, I'm using pre-boiled rice because I feel like the pre-boiled rice, it doesn't make the rice mushy. It holds the shape when you bake it. So when you finish stirring, it's well incorporated. You pour it in your baking dish like that. And then you lay the chicken on top, which I'm gonna do. Okay, I'll be right back with the chicken. Okay everyone, I placed the chicken on my dish with the rice and the cream of mushroom, and you put it in the oven at 350 or 375 depending on your oven, and you want to bake this for at least an hour or less depending on your oven, like I say. Okay, this is my halfway point, so as you can see it's just halfway done. So I'm gonna put some vegetables in there because I didn't want to put the vegetables in the beginning because I didn't want it to be soggy. So I'll be right back. I just have to move the chicken to the side and add some vegetables. When I put in the vegetables, I put in some cut corn, some broccoli and peas, and all I have to do is put the foil back on top, which I forgot to tell you guys that to put the foil on top. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for another half an hour, and I'll be right back with the finished. Okay, here's the finished product. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you later. Bye.